I know we're falling down occasionally, yeah, just going down. Every bit of you and me, we will turn around. Negativity somehow will rise again. We'll hold the wings. Then you will find a way out of the dark. In a way, come away, keeping your head above water. Fight without a bodyguard. Break away, be okay. Life will be easier to satisfy. A way out of the dark. In a way, come away, keeping your head above water. Fight without a bodyguard. Break away, be okay. Life will be easier to satisfy. I know we're falling down emotionally, just hitting ground without a melody. We will turn around. Negativity somehow will rise again. We'll hold the wings. Then you will find a way out of the dark. In a way, come away, keeping your head above water. Fight without a bodyguard. Break away, be okay. Life will be easier to satisfy. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Life will be easier to satisfy. Life will be easier to satisfy. Then you will find a way out of the dark. In a way, come away, keeping your head above water. Fight without a bodyguard. Break away, be okay. Life will be easier to satisfy. Don't you go apologize for the one you are inside. Be yourself, don't play a role. That should be your final goal. We will turn around, changing everything. Somehow we'll rise again. We'll hold the wings. Then you will find a way out of the dark.
Hey guys, how are you all doing today in your cozy, warm homes while I'm out walking in the snow? It's actually not that cold. I know, says the girl from the north. While you're down there, Dawn, in Florida, sitting out by the pool, drinking a cool drink. Yeah, that's where I want to be. But anyway, I'm out here bracing the cool weather and giving you guys a view of what I have to live with throughout the winter. My choice. I moved to Canada, and so be it. I love it here. Wouldn't have it any other way. Well, I would. That's a lie. I'd totally move to Florida in a heartbeat. Dawn, I hope you have a guest room. I'm moving in. Do you see that? Do you actually see that? The geese are flying north. I think they're confused. I think they're a little bit confused. I think this cold weather has definitely warped their minds. Anywho, I needed to blow off some cobwebs and get out here and get some fresh air. What are you guys doing? Obviously not what I'm doing. That crazy Irish Canadian girl. What is she doing up there? So, yep. I'll probably put this on another video. I'm planning to do a couple of videos this once I go home after this, I'm going to make a big pot of chicken soup. And that'll be for dinner tonight with chicken club sandwiches. So that's my plan for the day. Possibly shoot a video, do a little editing. Yeah. The busy life of a retired grandmother. Nora's with her parents today, obviously. So that's why I have some free time and why I can take you guys out for a walk. So yeah, here's a little shot. Here's a little shot, guys. Guys. Isn't it pretty? It's pretty. Come on, it's pretty. I'm trying to convince myself that I love the winter, but I've been living here now for 40 years. And yeah, it doesn't get any better. So anywho, I'm almost home. Time to go into the cozy house. And it's getting a little slippy here. Speed up, Francis. You're almost home. You're almost there. Okay, that was a short walk today, ladies and guys. Alrighty? Here we are. So here I am back home, multitasking. I've got the chicken bones and the skin and all of the rest of it, boiling all of that down to make a really good stock. That was a barbecue chicken that I bought yesterday, and then I use all of that for the stock. I'm also making oatmeal for our late breakfast, and I'm boiling up some boiled eggs to make egg salad, or just to eat a boiled egg if we feel like a snack later today. So once I've finished doing the stock, I'll then remove all of the bones. I'll drain it all. This is all the vegetables I have prepared ahead of time: barley and lentils. There's carrots, parsnip, leeks. There's celery. So I will get the chicken stock ready. I use a low salt and chicken stock OXO. And so I'll leave that for a while, and then I'll come back to it in a second. So now we are going to drain all of that goodness out of there and get all of that good chicken stock. And then we'll add the vegetables. See, that's all the stuff I took out. Now that's all stock. I've added the barley and the lentils. I let them cook for a little bit, maybe a half an hour or so. Put the rest of the stock in there as well. Let that simmer, and that takes maybe about 20 minutes, because it takes the lentils and the barley a little bit longer to cook. Now I'm adding the powdered stock, chicken stock, the low sodium, and this stock is divine. It is so delicious. We all love this soup in our house, all our family. It's very good when you're not feeling well, if you have a cold or anything like that. Chicken stock is one of the best things for making you feel better. So, just adding a little bit more water to the stock, and, simmering while we go. And, just let that simmer a little bit longer. then we'll add there we go, see that? And the barley is plumping up now. It's about halfway cooked. See, it's turning white. And then all these lovely fresh carrots, celery, parsnips, and what else is in there? Leeks. Leeks are in there as well. Sorry, I knew there was like 4 different kinds of vegetables. I usually put a little bit of parsley in, but I don't have any at the minute. So that's the chicken that I took off the bones, and I chopped all of that up once it's cooked. So this soup is now cooked, and then I put the chicken in, and then that's already cooked. I just stir that in, then I turn that off and let the soup sit for a little bit. And then bon appetit. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It tastes amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, if you have any questions, just